This is the Amazon Basics rolling laptop case. I have used this for about 2 months now and I'm so impressed with it. I've not had any issues with the zippers. They all still open beautifully, and you have like all the spots for your cords, or business cards, or like extra pens and things like that. And then they have the next part, which is actually the laptop part. And you put your laptop and then any of your, like I have the accordion file and stuff in there. And then the back one is just for like extra stuff, cords, things like that. And this can go pretty high. So if you're a taller person, I would say it probably pops up 2 feet higher than the actual bag. And then it goes back down very nicely in there. And then as far as the wheels are concerned, so I'm at like 2 months I've been using these. And the wheels are, you know, a little bit dirty from concrete and stuff, but they are really nice. The bottom of it doesn't scrape at any time when you're actually using it. And anytime you want to just like stand it up, these little feet here are wonderful. I'm really impressed with it, and it's a great option, especially for the price.